TaKeTiNa is in many ways completely different from Eurhythmics, although completely dependent upon rhythm. The central feature is the simultaneous engagement of the hands, the feet, and the voice. Syllables and rhythm patterns merge the polyrhythmic movements of our body parts. By giving a lot of time for the integration of multiple movements and their relationships, the principle of TaKeTiNa is to allow the body to move along with rhythmic structures without having to learn them. Notions of right or wrong are of no interest. What's important is the melting of bodily contraction and destructive effects of self-consciousness, and thereby entering into a flow of polyrhythmic movement.